Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to download NordVPN on PC and Mac. If you want to try NordVPN, you can use the link in the description or pinned comments to get an exclusive deal and discount for your VPN subscription. It is the easiest way to follow this tutorial and protect your devices with NordVPN today. Alright, so first up, go ahead and open up your favorite browser. For your Mac, it could be Safari. For Windows computers, you can go ahead and use Google Chrome, Edge, Firefox, Brave right here, or whatever. All right, so go ahead and find NordVPN download from your URL box, and then just hit on enter. Wait for it to load. And then once it loads, you're going to want to find download a VPN for Windows PC or laptop right here first. Okay, you can click on it if you're using a Windows computer, and click on download app, save it wherever you want. And once that's done, just open up the installer, follow simple prompts, and after that, you're good to go. For Mac, what you're going to do is just go ahead and type down NordVPN download for Mac. Hit on enter. Now you'll have the best VPN for Mac right here. Go ahead and click on it. Same goes to Mac users. Click on download app, install it, and after that, you are good to go as well. That's how simple it is to download NordVPN on PC and Mac. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.